Welcome back to my channel today. I just got this just today, and it's only like $6, and you guys can see how fast it goes. And I got this at Academy. Yeah, some people may think that's crazy, but I'm also ordering one from Amazon. Amazon coming, so I'll have like a bunch of. It's the same color as this one, but this one's way much faster. Well, I want you to get a good look at it. I'm maybe selling my other one, but I'm not selling my fast one because I just like it. So I just want you to know that probably in my later videos I will probably be spinning my fidget spinner. So I just want to let you know that another video might, bruh, okay, so you guys can see it just went right there in my vent. So let me get it out. Oh my freaking god, you freaking stupid. So, oh wow, actually, I don't know how fast it spins, but I just want you guys to know. So let me try to tap on my leg. I guess you guys can't see it like that. Oh, look. I balanced it. Okay. I'm gonna see if I can balance it on my middle finger and my index. Let's try middle finger. Yep. Ring finger. I can do that. How about? Freak. I can't do it on pinky. Yep. But I do full speed on thumb. I bet you that everybody go full speed on. So I know some people from my classmates are gonna be watching this because I'm gonna tell them. They think I don't have a YouTube channel. So I do. So just to let you heads up, I have a fidget spinner, and my sister has one too. Just to let you know, my sister is the devil, and you do not want to meet her. So, did you get one last look at it right there? Well, that'll be it.